how to manage and change your date header format on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Blogger. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here on settings and now scroll down until you find the formatting option. Now all what you have to do is click here on date header format and you can change it from here, as you can see. It's very easy and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.